Yo, what's up, bros and broettes?
That car driving make you feel some type of way. That custom brightly make you feel some type of way.
Today is an awesome freaking day because today is Saturday. Yes, it's that Saturday, and the wiring harness is on its way. It's not here yet, so it's on its way. It's being delivered today. So in the meantime, I decided to go ahead and tidy up the garage because it was already started. It was looking dirty, and I'm going to organize my tools and everything and whatnot. But I just need to start getting started on this. So with that said, while I'm waiting for that wiring harness, my wife went ahead and went to her, she wanted me to go, but someone has to be here to sign for the package because they require a signature with it. So with that said, I'm cleaning up the garage, waiting for my harness. So let's get to cleaning. Alright guys, now that I got the garage cleaned up to my liking, now it's just time to wait for the UPS man to show up with my package. So until then, well, while I'm waiting for the UPS guy, I know this is more of a 240 episode, but I did want to, you know, give you guys an update on, you know, other things that are going on. You know, I've said in previous videos that my wife and I want to cut down trees in the backyard, so we want to get down a lot of the pines back here, and then I want to put another 2-car garage, probably like a metal one, back there on a concrete slab back there in that corner, and we want to do like a 5-foot above ground pool, 5-foot deep above ground pool over here, and then continue the deck going around it and stuff, and like a nice fire pit out there. You know, simple things like that. We want to get some nice you know, 500-gallon drums for water, so we can pump out of the creek back there when it rains real heavy to water the lawn with when it's not raining heavy. That way we're not jacking our water bill up. What else are we doing? Oh yeah, you know, again, trying to attempt to second year. First year I got this lawn, this front yard looking amazing. I didn't have the in-ground sprinkler system in yet. So I got real lazy and let the whole front yard die. So this is where I'm at right now. Like all the stuff that you see that's kind of tall is what was here, is what remained after the first year. So you can kind of see, like, yeah. And then all this fresh new grass down here is coming in. So with all that said, I'm gonna go ahead and stop filming now and wait for the UPS guy to get here. So I just gotta wait.
How you doing? I'm doing pretty good. Yeah. Really? You're doing alright. Sorry. Hey, what's your last name? Boy. I have one.
Good weekend. Yo, what's up guys? So as you saw, I just got the package and from a wiring harness. So let's go ahead and get this thing open so we can see what it looks like. I'm so excited. So the box is down here below me. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up so you guys can see me open it up. Alright guys, wiring harness from Wiring Specialties. Let's go ahead and get this baby open.
No, you opened it without me.
Oh, you okay? I'm not quite sure exactly what this is, but it looks like a little booklet or something.
I'll show you for me.
Lovely, yeah, lovely bubble wrap. A sweet bag or backpack thing. Come on, let go, wires. Yes, I have a new little backpack that says wiring specialties. Wait, what is this? Yeah, little backpack thingy. And then the wiring specialties pro harness. Freaking awesome. Yeah. This is a big ass harness. But that is what I wanted. So excited. And I'm guessing this is either a ground strap or it goes to the alternator. I will figure that out. So next step is to get this thing all hooked up. So wiring specialties definitely want you to know one main thing. And here it is. Danger! This isn't an IKEA desk. Read the directions. Or it could lead to death, according to the skull and crossbones. So again, let's go ahead and get this thing hooked up. Yo, what's up guys? It is the next day. I got most of the wiring harness on but I got one snag, one hold up. I really wanted to start it this weekend, but it looks like I'm not going to be able to because when I bought the wiring harness, I bought the Neo wiring harness, but I chose all Series 2 stuff. So everything that gave me the option for Series 2, I chose it. But when I got my harness, I still have Neo injector plugs on there. Obviously that's not going to plug in. You know, that can't plug in on there. So with that lovely dilemma, I have to wait. I contacted wiring specialties already and let them know the situation. They said that they'll come Monday, they'll look into it and find a solution for the problem. Well guys, since I wasn't able to start the car this video, which really kind of bums me out because I was really looking forward to starting this video, starting this car this weekend. It wasn't able to happen mainly because of this wiring specialties bad. But I got everything hooked up with the wiring harness except for the 6 plugs, and that is literally just the injector plugs. I confirmed that I got fuel coming up here. I'm gonna have to, the hose that I ordered is not the right hose. The hose that I bought is not the right hose for the injector for the fuel lines. I just bought regular fuel line hose. I need fuel injector hose because these are already starting to kind of swell up a little bit. And I don't feel comfortable with those, so I'm gonna get some actual fuel injector line. But with that said, all I have to do is wait for them to contact me tomorrow and see what's gonna happen from that point. So I'm gonna end this video here, and then maybe by next weekend we'll have I'm guessing we're gonna do some adapters to adapt the Neo plugs to the Series 2 plugs. So basically it's basically like a plug-to-plug jumper wire. In other words, kind of like that. So, yeah. Anyways, with that said guys, and thank you for watching the video. Sorry again that I wasn't able to start it. I really wanted to start it today or this weekend, but it just wasn't in the cards because of that. So with that said, until next time guys, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Peace out and never look back.